What your laptop, this is what used to be. I'm not supposed to touch it. So these are the typewriters of our time. You type this way, then you pull this one towards the end. This was the typewriter. You can see the keyboard is not different from the keyboards of today. These ones are at the Railway Museum. You can come to the Railway Museum. This is another one. This one was not an ordinary typewriter. This was a telex. Nowadays we use SMS. Someone would type here, and then it would come here on this typing. There is this, so this thing would go that way, and then it would go by air, just like radio through wireless, and then it will reach the other place and print itself. Here is another type of telephone. This used to be another ticketing things. It's a bit complicated even for me, but these things used to be there. This one was for getting tickets. You can see something here round. It used to be rolled this way, and you get your ticket. The same with this one here, and the same with this one here. That is the machine. We have seen nowadays you have what do you call laptop. We have tablets and whatever. These are the tablets of the 60s. Thank you.